Okay, we have here a 2005 Peugeot 307 with automatic temperature control air conditioning, and the blower is not working. Usually these cars, when it's not the automatic air conditioning, you have a resistor for the blower motor. This one also has that, but the resistor itself, it's mounted directly to the motor, the blower motor. So in order to assess that, you need to remove it. Anyway, first off, when it doesn't work, we have to check the fuses first, because it's the first step, obviously. After you check and see that the fuses are okay and they have 12 volts, then you move to the motor itself. You unplug the motor and test it with a multimeter. To do that, you have to remove the trims and plastics all around or above the gas pedal and the brake pedal, also on the side just to access. And underneath the steering wheel, there's this a little plastic, you can remove it as well. As you can see here, we have a T25 and a 7mm socket to remove two screws. Just these two screws will release the this plastic on the side here. On the carpet part here, you have three plastic clips. You just pull the middle part and it will release, and you can remove this as well. To remove this part, you just pull on it. There's no clips, no nothing. It's just be careful not to break anything. And up there, stuck in the corner up there, you can see that round part. That's the motor. It has two plugs on it, one for the motor, one for the resistor. You need to unplug those two plugs and test the 2-pin plug for 12 volts. If that has 12 volts, most likely the resistor is bad. Also, even if it's not the resistor, it's the motor itself, you won't lose anything because those are just one unit. So to remove it, you need to release the bottom part of the steering column here. It's a 13mm bolt, and remove it away so you can have room or space to remove the motor. For the motor, you just grab it and you rotate it clockwise, like 10 or 15 degrees clockwise, and it will release from these clips. Okay, so as you can see, guys, I have here another motor already. I'm going to be testing these outside, of course, because it takes a lot of work to fit it in, so I'm going to test it outside, and if it works, we'll fit it back to the car. The owner got me this one used from a breakers because the dealership didn't have it in stock, and it would take some time to get it. Also, it was really expensive. Anyway, so I've tested the original motor. I know it's not working, so now let's test this one. This plug is for the resistor, this one is for the motor. And now let's start the car and see if it works. Okay, let me just put my camera down just while I use my other hand to start the ignition and start the car. And let's see, there we go, it's working flawless. So it goes through the speeds also. So yeah, now it comes the hard part. As you can see, guys, everything is put back together. Let's try the system now and see if we have some air through the vents and if the vents are working as well, the flaps. Okay, so as you can see, we have here air coming through the vents. This is the most powerful speed, so that's why the paper is flying really hard. So yeah, guys, so thanks for watching this video. Hopefully this helps you. This applies only to the Peugeot cars that have automatic temperature control, like this one. If you have the other one, the manual one, you will have a separate resistor on the other side, right in front of the motor. It's a twist and pull type of resistor. This one, the resistor is built into the motor. So see you next video, guys. Thanks for watching.